Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to get a yellow circle around your mouse cursor on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a web browser. I'm going to have a link in the description of the video to this website here, and you want to select the download button near the middle of the page. It is a completely safe file at the time of this recording. There's nothing weird about it. It's actually a cursor file in here. So if I show all, I'm just going to show you guys the download because we're going to be moving it over to our desktop just for simplicity's sake, just so we can easily retrieve it for the next part of the tutorial. So I'm going to show in the folder. I'm going to drag it over to the desktop here. So once you've done that, I'm going to close out of here. And now I'm going to open up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. And you want to type in mouse. Best settings should come back with change your mouse settings right above system settings. You want to left click on that one time here. Okay, so now underneath mouse on the right side, you want to go underneath related settings where it says additional mouse options. You want to left click on that one time. And now underneath pointers, you want to left click on that. So now you want to left click on this browse button right here. You want to go and left click on the desktop button right here. We're going to select the one that we downloaded from the internet. Left click on OK. So once you've done that, you just want to left click on apply and OK. And you can see now I have a yellow circle around my mouse cursor. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. Once you've done that, you can delete the mouse cursor from your desktop. You no longer need it on here once you've put it on. And that's about it. So again, I do have this brief tutorial, was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.